Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, what's up? My name is Caitlin, and today we're doing my monthly unboxing or unbagging, I guess, of Medusa's makeup, the subscription. This comes every month. I never remember the price of it. I think it's like 12 something, $12 to $13. I actually get this as a Christmas gift every month, so I always forget. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and just dive right into this one. Here's the pile of stuff we get. There's usually a card. Is this my card? No, what is this? Free shipping over 25. 20% off. Use code YES with 3 S's. Almost everything site-wide. 1 use per customer. So there's that. If you guys want to use that, you definitely can once. But that's fun. I definitely recommend their baked eyeshadows. I love to use these as highlights. And they have some pretty good lip products too. But yeah. Oh, also the beauty box 5-year birthday is next month. And you're going to get 5 premium products plus a bonus item. So if you're thinking about signing up for this, this is a good time to do that. Because next month you get bonus stuff. So anyway, moving on. The theme of this month is summer essentials. And it's got a super cute cotton candy on there. They are cruelty-free and vegan, which is awesome. So you get majority Medusa's makeup stuff in here, but then you do get some other brands sometimes too. For example, this guy. This is by Beauty Host. Pomegranate Firming and Brightening Radiance Facial Mask. So it's a pomegranate mask. It's supposed to firm and brighten. This little guy here retails for $4.99. So there's that one. Face masks are always fun. They're not like the most exciting thing in the world, but they're fun. Okay. Next thing. Also, something I really love about the subscription is it tells you the value. Like everything valued in this box is $58.99 this month, which I appreciate because I do that calculations for you guys at the in my box down there, my information, whatever that's called, Dropbox, whatever you want to call it. I don't know words, but I do that for like my Ipsy. Well, I don't do Ipsy anymore, but when I did Ipsy, I did that, and then I did it for like BoxyCharm and whatever subscriptions I do, or mystery boxes that I do. I always put that in there, and this makes it so I don't have to do it, and it's awesome. But next thing in here is Lovebird Unicorn Magic Dream Protector Face, Hair, and Pillow. What on earth? What is this? I don't know what this does. I have no idea what this does. It does not tell me anything. It's $14. What is a dream protector? Shake before use. I don't know what this is, you guys. It's for my face, hair, and pillow. Let me just like... Ugh. Ugh, I don't like it. I wonder if it's just like a calming spray. I don't know. I'm gonna have to look this up, and I will leave you notes to tell you what it is, because I don't know. It smells very lavender. Yeah, ingredients: lavender, water, lavender, citric acid. I'm assuming this is supposed to be like a calming situation. I don't love that, but I'm gonna look it up and tell you what it is for sure. Okay. Dylan Hart Kelly Lip Cream. This is from 90210. It's Sola Look. I think Sola Look is the brand, and they did like a collab with 90210. This retails for $18. We have gotten one of these before. I'm assuming this is a different shade. Yeah, this is the shade The Bad Boy. I don't think I've tried this yet. I'm pretty sure this is in my, yeah, it's still in my to try drawer. But I do like this shade better. The last one I got was like a fiery red. This looks like a purple. So it doesn't really have a smell to it. Ooh, yeah. I like that one better. Just a really pretty purple. This is very much a fall kind of color to me. But I'll try it out. I already said that retails for $18. Next thing in here is something we get quite a bit and something I don't use. I usually just kind of pass these along, but these are glitters. It's in the shade Meteor. It's like a yellowy green shade. This retails for... What do you retail for? $8. Yeah, I don't use these. If you like glitter, you get these quite a bit, so you would like that. Ooh, yay, okay. Last thing in here is actually what I was just talking about. This is a baked eyeshadow. Ooh, this might be too dark for a highlight for me though. I'm gonna swatch it anyway and see, but this is in the shade Mood. I have one that's like a white purple shift and I really like it. Yeah, this is gonna be too dark, but I like these. I think they're really pretty. There's that. You know, I might be able to get away with that if I use like the lightest hand ever. Maybe. We'll try it. But I do really like these. These retail for $14, which is kind of pricey for an eyeshadow, but I use it for like a highlight. So if I think about it that way, it's kind of not too pricey. But yeah, however you want to view that. That's everything. So now what I like to do is a quick little recap. So let's go ahead and go back over everything we just got. The baked eyeshadow, pumped for, love these. Might be too dark for me to use a highlight, but we'll try. Glitter, I'm going to pass along. The lipstick thingy I like. I think it's a pretty color. I will try it out for sure. This, I still have no idea what it is. The Unicorn Magic Dream Protector. If you know what this is, like, put it in the comments if I'm dumb, but I don't know. We're going to look into that one. And then the face mask is cool, so that's it. Don't forget to like this video before you go and subscribe to my channel so don't miss out on any more of my future videos. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.